What's up, everybody? I am Mystery Mike of MysteryMikes.org Restaurants. You know, the chain of restaurants that feeds everybody that eats there for free. And today we're going to be diving into these two Pokemon Sun and Moon Cosmic Eclipse booster packs. Let's go ahead and get started. All right. Let's see what we got here. All right. Doing both packs back to back here. Ooh, nice Eevee reverse holographic there. Energy card. And then there's your code card. On to the next pack here. Ooh, nice. All right. And the code card. Nice coffee. All right. Full art card there. And that EV reverse